Learning Council, Mr. Edward, has prayed for adjournment. Please the matter on. When do you want?
The first week of August month. Anything in the first week.
Please the matter first week or 2 weeks ago, no?
Lots. Lots.
Nala, date. Please the matter on the first week of August.
Lots.
Item number 1.
Well, here, the stay order, was which only concerned to the petitioner. There were some other accused persons also, and the trial continued with regard to the other accused persons, and one of them has been acquitted. So that acquittal order we're awaiting, we will be receiving this Sunday, So I'm praying, the matter be fixed next week, any day, so that we can place the order of acquittal before the court, Any day next week, probably Wednesday or Thursday,
Okay. Learned Council, Mr.
I'm PK Munir,
PK Munir has submitted for time to produce the order of acquittal
Acquittal with regard to the other accused person.
with regard to the other accused persons in connection with this. Which case? Original case?
GR case number 82 of 2020.
82 of 2020. Within bracket PRC case number 84 of 2021. List them on. You want a feast date?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
On 31st July.
Thursday, madam.
Item number 2.
31st July. Thursday.
Item 2.
Non-appearance for the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner is absent.
Petitioner is not represented. Learned additional PP, Ms. Bora is present for a respondent's date. List the matter after 1 week. Item 3. Yes.
I'm appearing for respondent number 2. Sorry, respondent. My humble prayer, Lordship.
I think they have settled the dispute.
No.
Both the parties appeared parents on being asked, the petitioner agreed to continue her conjugal life with the opposite party. On the condition that the OP, namely Hatem Ali Mullah, will either have to live separately in the rented house or in the house of the petitioner to which the no, consideration process has failed. Okay. All right.
So can we see last order, Lordship? As per last order, Lordship.
You are supposed to receive 20,000 rupees.
Lordship, they do not pay, Lordship. Any Lordship, person reasoned order and directed to petitioner to pay the area amount, Lordship, first. Almost, Lordship, 1,68,000 pending, Lordship, area payment, Lordship.
This order will continue. I'll pass this order to pay 20,000 rupees.
Actually, Lordship, respondent, Lordship, financially, Lordship, weak, Lordship, maybe extend some almost 1,64,000, Lordship, due payment, Lordship. Maybe 50,000, Lordship, maybe direct to pay, Lordship.
But you see, look at your condition yourself. You want the petitioner to stay with you in a rented house or in a
Lordship, actually,
family.
can we see, Lordship, order, Lordship, Lanet, port below order, Lordship. There is a specific, Lordship, they are not any effort to consume the conjugal life, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, see, Lordship, page number 17, Lordship.
No. No, I'll pass a reason, I'll pass a,
They file an
Just a-
restriction of conjugal right.
I'll give a direction, proper direction. Petitioner is not represented today, learned counsel Mr.
S. Hussain.
S. Hussain is present on behalf of the respondent, one respondent.
Yes, sir.
And has submitted that the petitioner as promised has not paid the amount of rupees 20,000 towards the area crude ACRUED. The petitioner is directed to immediately pay the comply with the order of this court passed on 16/7/2025. Have we called for the LCR
Lordship already received, Lordship.
on failure of appearance of any of the parties on the next date? Necessary orders may be passed. List on date and detail.
15 August.
Within next date, to pay rupees 20,000 against area accrued within the next date fixed.
Item 4,
Obliged, Lordship.
item 4.
LCR will be
That
required.
is not there.
Okay. Petitioner is not also
Yes,
not
absent,
represented.
not represented.
Actually, I think there is a misunderstanding because I'm sitting in the DB.
Yes,
So people are also not aware that I'll be taking up the matter immediately at 2
Lordship. Next week, Lordship.
next week.
Yes.
Petitioner is not represented.
And
Learned-
that's may be called for.
Yes, I'll call for that. Learned additional PP, Miss Asset Bora is present for the respondent state and learned counsel, Mr. S. Das is learned amicus curie, Mr. S. Das is present for respondent number 2. Call for the
Scan copy of
okay, scan copies of the trial court records as call for is not received, which a reminder. This the matter on.
Item 5.
Chief, I'm for the respondent, we will.
What
file
is
a-
wrong with all the petitioners? Only the respondents are present.
Lordship, 4 weeks' time may be granted to file objection to the
Objection.
transfer petition.
Petitioner is not represented. Learned counsel, Miss
FN Jaman,
FN Jahan is present for the single respondent. Respondent and is submitted for 4 weeks' time to file an objection
objection to the transfer.
against the petition. List this matter up to 4 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item 6. Here also scan copy was called for in the earlier occasion. That is correct from there.
Petitioner is not represented. Learned additional PP, Miss S.S. Bora is present for the state. The respondent number 2 is also not represented. Scan copies as called for is not allowed, not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Item 7.
So this is a revision petition filed by the department,
Ah.
changing the order dated 7/6/2025. Also, the bail was granted on the ground that we have not mentioned section 47 and 48 in the arrest memo and other documents.
Really?
This was the ground.
So bail was granted and then you, now,
We have challenged the legality and validity of that order.
okay,
Your Lordship, we have filed a affidavit in opposition today, Your Lordship, may call for record.
huh?
Your Lordship may call for record. We have filed a affidavit in opposition today. The arguing counsel is on legs, Your Lordship may pass over for the time being.
Was there a misleading or was the court not
Lordship,
apprised about the orders?
court says that we have not mentioned section 47 and 48 in the arrest memo and other documents.
Hmm.
This was the only ground. Now my learned friend has filed one affidavit in opposition. Lordship, that may be taken into record and maybe fixed on 7th of August. Lordship.
Learned Standing Council, Mr. S.C.K.L. Learned Standing Council for the
DGGI.
Huh?
DGGI.
DGG. Oh, not
G-
Standing Council.
I am standing council.
Okay.
DGGI. Director of Director General of GST Intelligence.
Okay, okay. Learned Standing Council, Mr. S.C.K.L. for DGGI is present. Learned Council, Miss
Ms. B. Podar.
D.
B. Podar.
B. Poddar
Yes.
is present for all the respondents.
Yes, your lordship.
Only one respondent. There are two respondents.
Two respondents is present for the respondents and is submitted for, you have filed an objection.
Yes, affidavit and
And then
opposition today.
submitted that they have filed an affidavit in opposition against the petition. We'll call for the LCR.
Yes, your lord.
We'll call for the call for the scan copies of the.
No, see, record is not necessary. We have filed all the documents. I am with the.
Not required. You have
Not
submitted all the documents.
Yes, Lord, sir.
Okay, not
Case
required.
diary is with me, Lord.
The as this then where is the you can submit, I think.
Yes, your lordship. He's on legs in another court, your lordship.
Maybe fixed on 7th of August, Lord. In the meantime, that may be tagged there only.
It is this matter on 7th of August.
Right.
At 7/8/2025. Item 8.
My lord, I went to item 2, my lord, I just missed it, my lord. Kindly take up after some. Item
No.
2. After some time, my lord.
No, we've already heard it.
Even as a last matter. I will,
Last matter, I won't be able to reach the last.
after
matter.
completion of the list, my lord.
La-
Item 2.
I won't be able to complete the list, sir. We have 30 matters, all at the stage of admission and hearing. All right, we'll try.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship is an application under 497 and 503 for interim release of.
Your presence will be shown, by the way. Your presence will be shown, item number 2, but we will try.
I am waiting, my lord.
But no point, we have hearing.
Lordship, it's under Wildlife Protection Act.
Yes, lordship for interim release of my vehicle. That is motorcycle, lordship.
We need the report. Have you produced the report, huh?
Wildlife, Lordship.
Lordship,
Oh,
Special PP B Sharma is one, D Gogo is there. Lordship.
lordship here, the accused petitioner
we'll have to
already.
hear the other side.
He's present. For it, if doesn't have intermediate, yes, I've already set the copies of the.
If you know him, you can call him. You can call him.
Let the
Then
matter
for
be
some-
after
sometime
time.
only.
We'll keep it.
Yes.
If you know him, you can call him.
Item 9.
My lord, the date may be fixed on Tuesday, my lord.
I think date has been
Item
fixed.
2. Date is not fixed.
Oh, date is the detail.
On Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday. Friday, you will Tuesday, 30 July. I won't be here next week, by the way.
In fact, I told him to go with the mind of the court because today perhaps it will not be possible to take up the entire list, my lord. So I said that when the court is going, giving you that your presence is being reflected, why don't you get a date fixed, my lord?
Good
My-
advice.
My lord. My lord, this case, my lord, I have, my lord, filed for quashing of the entire proceedings, my lord. Lordship is aware, my lord, lordship had an opportunity to go through this matter, my lord, earlier.
Hmm.
So here,
Maybe.
my lord, what happened, my lord? Yes. This process was initiated on the basis of an FIR that was filed by the Deputy Superintendent of Police, my lord, Karimganj.
Hmm.
That your lordship finds at page 33. Now, the genesis of this case is, my lord, the allegation made in the FIR is that, my lord, that this accused person who is before your lordships, my lord, he as the president of some organization had called them, my lord.
No?
Yes, my lord, for quashing.
Who's on the other side?
Well, the government advocate appears on the other side, my lord. On the earlier occasions, Mrs. Sutia appeared.
Okay.
Then, my lord, these records were called for. After 3 occasions, today these records, LCS
So,
scan copies are come.
sir, are you prepared? You see, one has to be prepared because if I'm taking up the hearing, one has to be prepared. And this is at the stage of admission.
Yes, my lord.
So if you are prepared, then I'll take up the hearing.
That's it, my lord. Today itself, my lord, or some other date will be fixed, my lord.
Hmm?
On today itself or some other date, my lord?
No, this matter.
Yes, my lord.
If you are ready, I'll take it up
I am
now.
ready, but my
And if
for
the other side is ready,
for-
I'll
my
take it
lord.
up now.
Nine.
Lordship may take up the matter in some other day, Lordship.
Some other day?
But my lord, I'll just renew my prayer for my lord an interim stay of the further proceedings. my lord.
Okay, but it was not granted after
It was
hearing
not
you.
granted, but my lord, it was reported that my lord on receipt of that my lord LCR,
Huh.
the scan copy, it will be considered.
No, that,
So now scan
that
copies have,
receipt of wherever I write, actually this matters are disposed of at the admission stage.
then
only.
my lord, then let us my lord make an endeavor to dispose it by today only. I am here, my lord.
Okay then. Okay,
So
all
can
right.
My
it
lord.
be some other day, Lordship, we have to go through your
Because
problem.
my only purpose is, my lord, this
Next
petitioner,
any
my
day,
lord, is a
Lordship.
70-year-old man, my lord, is suffering, and I am given the medical reports also. And he is a resident of Silchar. So from each and every date, my lord, going from Silchar to Karimganj just to appear, it's a burden on him, my lord. And the records also I have seen just
Yeah,
because
actually,
I
I
have,
given you some relief, some sort of relief.
you
to
said,
take
my lord, you
adjournment.
said, my lord, yes, on one date there will be an adjournment, but not thereafter. So that date is passed, my lord. So if that also relief is given to me, that's why I said that let that for the next date, a date may be fixed for hearing. Till then, let the further proceedings be kept in abeyance, my lord. Till then only, my lord.
Lordship,
So that is not going to
today
cause
is
any harm
Friday,
to anybody,
next-
my lord.
Next week, any day. Lordship.
One adjournment next week, any day?
Let me have the pleasure of getting an interim order also from your lordship after making these submissions
No,
five or six times, my lord.
But you see,
Only the question is of saying the
This time I-
proceedings for 1 week.
this time I have not, I was not convinced.
Not first
So
week.
I have-
No, today I say, my lord, I have just a detailed glance at the record which has come, my lord. The record also does not support the prosecution story because in these, my lord, matters, kindly see.
But we have to hear one day adjournment I will allow. I'll
Then
bring
let
it on
it be-
record.
Yes, my lord, and let it be directed that this personal appearance of this man will be exempted, my lord. Then he
For
can,
one day
then
only,
he,
one day.
yes, then he can get a petition filed to some lawyer because of this exemption order granted by this court. Let his personal appearance be exempted.
Only for one day.
Yes, my lord,
One
for
day.
1 day.
One day.
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel, Mr. G. Shabir is present on behalf of the petitioner and Learned additional PP. Ms. S.S. Bora is present for the state. And has, full stop DDI. Learned Counsel, Miss S. S. Kemprai. So be prepared next time, okay? S. Kemprai is present for the respondent number 2. The adjournment has been prayed for on behalf of the respondents. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is 70 years old and it is and he is a cancer patient and unable to attend the court on each day. The scan copies of the trial court record is received. The petitioner may be exempted from appearing on the next date fixed before the learned trial court. Meanwhile, this case is on the next date fixed, will list this matter
On 11th, my lord.
on 11th.
11th.
This is matter on 11th.
11th. I am deeply obliged.
My lord, in item 6, my lord, my name may kindly be shown, my lord.
I know. I understand.
Lordship.
Because you were taken by surprise that I came and
Obliged.
yes.
Kindly wait a minute.
That's 8, they are seeking release of a vehicle. Well, I have to take instructions, maybe listed on Tuesday. Tuesday, something has to come.
Tuesday, okay?
Tuesday, I can, from Hujai only, I can take soft copy of any instruction. If there is-
Orderly Kids.
Yes,
Miss
sir.
Orderly Kids is present on behalf of the petitioner. Learned standing special PP
Specifically wildlife.
wildlife, Mr. D. Gogoi has submitted for time to obtain instructions. List the matter on when?
Tuesday, 29.
29 July.
20.
Much
Obliged.
Item number 10.
Yes, Mr. Lordship, I'm appearing on 5 of respondent two. Today I file Nama. I will file a counter affidavit, 2 weeks time may be granted.
2 weeks time? Learned counsel, Miss,
N. Yepto on behalf of Mrs. K. Devi.
and
N. Yepto,
on behalf of
Mrs. K. Devi.
Mrs. K. Devi is present. For the petitioner, learned counsel, Mr.
R.A. Ahmed, respondent.
I. Ahmed is.
R.A. Ahmed.
R. Ahmed is present for respondent one,
Two.
for respondent number two, and learned additional PP, Miss S. Bora is present for the state. This. Huh? For the respondent number one. The respondent number two has filed an affidavit in opposition,
Yes,
yes, against the petition and has submitted for 2 weeks time. List the matter after 2 weeks. Okay, scan copies as called for is not received, issue reminder. Petitioner is not represented. Petitioner is not represented, scan copies as called for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on. Any date people labor. 6th August.
May I please, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, I for suspension of sentence, my lord.
Hmm.
Please learn it. Trial court, my lord, 10 years, maximum punishment is 10 years. Now, this as per cause list, my lord, this petitioner is in jail, my lord, 6 years, 2 months, 11 days, my lord. And now, my lord, this Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, is Sudan Singh judgment, my lord.
6 years, 2 months, 11 days.
11 days, yes. Right, sir?
He's in jail.
Yes, my lord, jail. Page 4, my lord, this is this page 4, my lord. May I read, my lord? Heinous nature of crime, my lord. Prohibited category to ensure public peace and well-being the society. Life convicts who are hardened criminals, repeated offenders, kidnapping in crimes related to misprice 3 or more than
This
3
is bail, no, this is suspension of sentence and bail after conviction.
Yes, my lord.
You are talking of regular bail.
Yes, my lord. I have for my lord bail.
Oh.
Now, this judgment, my lord, maximum punishment 50%, my lord. Board of parameters as per this judgment, my lord, this undergone, my lord, grant bail, my lord. This judgment, my lord, Sudan Singh judgment, my lord. And now, my lord, the merits of the case, my lord.
Please read the judgment, operative part of the judgment, which is.
Page 4, my lord. Page
Relevant
4.
for you, yes.
Yes,
please,
page
please.
4, my lord.
Hmm.
Innocent nature of crime, my lord. Prohibited categories to ensure public peace and well-being of the society. Life convicts who are hardened criminals, repeated offenders, kidnappers to crime related them, miscase 3 or more than 3 murders, habitual criminals in fall in the prohibited category as part of UP jail. Standing policy, no bail should be granted. We are also conscious in the scenario where an appeal comes up and the hearing of the appellant may be seeking adjournment rather than arguing of the appeal. This case certainly would not be one of the grant of the bill as the court of the willing the bestow the consideration on the merits of the appeal. Next parameter. We are also the agreement that the convict must be approached of the High Court first, otherwise this court is being unnecessary burden, but there must be mechanism to see that if approach the High Court, those bail applications are listed promoting. In that the next parameter, in that the conspect our board observation, it is the incumbent of the High Court to the place before us to how to they propose to see the case the mention aforesaid are taking up the consideration for grant bill. We may next parameter, we may not that the may even the convicts in custody in cases other than life sentence case, and in those cases against the board parameter of 50% of the actual sentence undergone can be the basis for grant of bail, my lord. This Sudan Singh judgment.
Other than life sentences? This is POSCO Act
Yes, my lord.
under section what?
Under section.
Under sections 4, my lord, 4 of the POCSO Act, my lord.
Okay. Then
Conviction
it
is
will be
under,
5 years.
conviction is 366, 376 IPC, read with 4. Punishment sentence has been given 10 years.
10 years, my lord.
So he's now in 6 years, I think, 6 years. and
6 years, 6 plus.
5 years then.
Yes,
10 years.
half will be 5 years.
5 years. Yes. Please carry on.
And now, my lord,
If objection has been filed. Objection will have to be filed. Objection will have to be filed mandatorily. 1 week time to file objection.
but my
Or
lord,
you
this
want
case
a
is
lesser
long
time?
pending, my lord.
Huh?
This case is long pending, my lord.
I
I
understand.
maybe, yes, consider, my lord.
6 years, it's
Yes, 6 plus and 6 plus, my lord.
Hmm.
I maybe consider.
objection has to be filed, no?
Good pay.
Objection has to be filed. Let us give some time to file objection. 1 week's time, will that be sufficient? Or even lesser time?
Next. Yeah, my lord.
5 days?
Just- Date maybe, my lord.
I thought objection has been filed.
22.
That is why I was proceeding.
22.
That is different 1 week, no? In case if he doesn't have a case, then he'll be really prejudiced. No?
Because 6.5 years is a very long.
Yes.
2000 appeal is of
Court is
2000.
long, it's much longer than 1 week. Before 1 week,
Yes, my lord.
before one. Because you see, 6.5 years. And if he doesn't have a case, he will be highly prejudiced. First, okay. Okay, first.
Deeply appreciate.
Learned Counsel Mr. A. Doctor is present for the I लिखिबा हाँ. A doctor is present for the applicant. And learned additional PP, Mr. P. Goswami, MP Goswami has submitted for time to file objection against the IA. Learned Counsel Mr. S. Nawaz is present for the respondent.
Amicus for the respondents.
Learned amicus लिखिबा हाँ. As a counsel learned amicus curiae Mr. S. Nawaz is present for the respondent.
For number 2 month.
Number 2. This the matter on 1st of August.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, item number 5, I had the impression that division bench is going on.
I know.
It has been fixed after 4 weeks, my lord. Next week it may come up, my lord. Any date, your lordship.
1 week koi dibur kori asan. But you will have to inform the other side, huh?
Yes, I'll inform.
Respondent was asking for 4 weeks.
Yes, my lord, I'll inform. My lord.
Let us balance it 2 weeks.
Yes,
Okay. But please inform the respondent.
yes, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship. Item 13, my lord. My lord, here this appeal is arises.
Which one?
Lordship, 13,
Oh,
item
13.
13.
Yes, item 30.
Item 13, my lord, as per Lordship's order dated 12/6/2025, my lord, we have already taken the first steps, my lord. And it is still awaited, my lord. But what happened, my lord, in this case, my lord, the appeal is arises out of judgment and order dated 15/6/2025, my lord. In Jorhat session case number 29/2023, my lord. Here, my lord, I have filed an IA, my lord. This IA for the suspension of the judgment and order and bail for after conviction, my lord. That may be considered at this stage, my lord, because at the time of the admitting,
Years of conviction.
my lord, already 4 years the total principal conviction under section 307, my lord. And now I am in jail 15/6/2024. On today, my lord, it is 1 year, 1 month, 8 days.
Okay.
And my lord, last occasion it was considered that, my lord, new address already we have found, my lord, of the informant.
Hmm.
And we have taken the steps, my lord, in that new address, my lord, that is awaited. At the time of the admitting of the appeal, my lord, it was considered that after receiving of the LCR, my lord, my interim payer will be considered, and LCR has already been come, my lord. At least, my lord, we have already under jail since 2024, 1 year has already been gone.
Where is the judgment?
Judgment lordship will find at page started in the appeal.
Not appeal, I.
In IA, my lord, it is started from,
Okay, in the appeal,
it is
in the appeal.
page
Page
10,
10.
my lord. And order also will find at page 44. In order, my lord, considering the gravity of the offences and hearing the accused person on the question of the sentence, I sentence the accused Bhaskarjit Borgohain A1 and Biswajit Borgohain A2 to pay a fine of ₹200. Each in default of the payment in fine, undergo SI simple imprisonment for 7 days. Each of under section 341(34) IPC so suffer simple imprisonment of 3 years and to pay a fine of ₹3,000 each, and in default of the payment of fine another SI for 3 months. Each under section 325(34) of IPC so suffer undergo SI 4 years and fine of ₹4,000 each, in default of payment of the fine another SI for 4 months each under section 307 of the IPC. My
Okay.
lord, what happened, my lord, in this case, my lord, the ingredients for the sentence under section 307, the main ingredients is that the contention or intention of the accused may be there, my lord. That should be established, my lord. In the judgment, lawsuit will find there is nothing, no intention has been established by the prosecution. The burden of the proof.
No, no, please, don't argue like an appeal.
Yes. I agree. Itu ini dulu. Ini dulu. Saya nak dulu. Ya tahu nih. Ini first. Phone please. Phone independent. Well, at the time of the trial, lordship, no independent witness were examined, my lord.
Please, don't argue like an appeal.
Yes.
Yes, PP.
Here is about the stage of 389. Lordship has to see whether there is prima facie case and whether the evidence, whether it is sufficient for him as per your lordship's there is chance.
Very aggressive, but
Yes, very-
bail can be granted, I think.
There is chance of acquittal or not.
Very, very aggressive people.
So at the, going by the evidence, my lord, it's very clear, my lord, very clear, my lord. And my lord, the
They are
307
brothers.
clearly, 307,
Three of them are brothers.
yeah, 307 clearly affects, my lord. Your lordship will find he was
Yes, yes,
in the
yes,
head.
whatever.
And that is corroborated with the evidence of the doctor. My lord.
Wide injury on his
Yeah.
head.
And that is corroborated with the evidence of doctor.
Yes.
So there is, my lord, from the evidence, my lord, lordship, my lord has to be satisfied that he has some fair chance of acquittal, but from the, my lord, evidence, my lord, it's a very blink chance of acquittal at this stage, man. So this is the test what 389 has to, my lord, look for, my lord.
Can be granted.
Otherwise,
Under
my lord,
objection, I think can be granted.
yes,
Under objection. Can be granted. I think.
I'll leave it to lordship if
But there must be some conditions
Conditions maybe.
because they are very aggressive and there three of them are brothers.
Yes, Lord.
Two brothers assaulting one brother. Third learner counsel Mr. D. Boba for the applicants. I লিখিবা for the applicants. Number kita number 1 or 2 দুজন আছে ভাস্কৰ আৰু বিশ্বজ্যোতি বুঢ়াগোহাঁই. Who have filed this application under section 389 of the. Can you file under section 389 of the CRPC after 25 June 2024 or July? It was 2nd July, no? When the notification came into force? 2nd July, 1st July.
At that time, BNS was BNS.
First
from
July.
1st of July, 1st of July.
389 of the CRPC with prayer for suspension of sentence and bail as the applicants are behind bars since how many years?
They are under custody 15/6/2020.
Since 15/6/2024.
Cool.
After the impugned judgment and order dated 15/6/2024 was passed by the Learned Additional Session Judge in Jorhat in connection with Sessions Case number 29 of 2023, arising out of so-and-so, arising out of GR case number so-and-so, comma, T of PS case number so-and-so under so-and-so sections. The petitioner, the applicants are convicted
Section 8 Page 44. Page 44.
to undergo simple imprisonment
Para 51.
of simple imprisonment to convicted to pay a fine of rupees 200 each with default stipulation under section 341/34 IPC comma, convicted and sentenced लिखला ना, applicants are convicted and sentenced, comma, sentence, convicted and sentenced to pay a fine of rupees 3,000 each under section no.
That is under
To pay a fine, convicted and sentenced under section 325/34 of IPC to undergo simple imprisonment for 3 years and to pay a fine of rupees 3,000 with default stipulation, and convicted and sentenced under section 307/34 IPC to undergo simple imprisonment for 4 years and to pay a fine of rupees 4,000 with default stipulation. The sentences are to run concurrently. On what ground do you have prayed for bail?
already, my lord, as on today, they are already
There cannot be a ground.
and my lord, they are not any condition, my lord, lordship may impose, and we are
It is submitted that there is every possibility that the applicants will be acquitted from this case. And the appeal will be appeal.
admitted. One.
There is every possibility of acquittal of their acquittal in this appeal, in the connected appeal,
220.
in the connected appeal number 220 of 2024. It is submitted that this case is fraught, FRAUGHT, fraught with discrepancies, and the appellants deserve acquittal. Heard Mr. MP Goswami, learned additional PP, Assam, who has raised serious objections stating that the possibility of acquittal appears to be bleak. A well-reasoned judgment has been passed and the applicants are very aggressive by nature and they have caused grievous injuries and fractured the leg of the injured victim, as well as caused head injury, caused a grave head injury. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection.
Which is forwarded by the
Head injury, and the evidence of the witnesses has been corroborated by the evidence of the medical officer. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have considered the submission that the applicants have been behind bars for 1 year, 6 months.
1 year, 1 month, 8 days.
For more than 1 year. The applicants are willing to cooperate with the appeal is yet to be heard. I have also scrutinized the trial court records. The merits of this case are not considered as not considered at this stage. After considering all aspects, it appears that bail may be granted to the applicants. Considering all aspects, both the applicants so and so are enlarged, shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each to the satisfaction of the learned trial court, who may impose conditions which the court deems fit and proper. Meanwhile, the operation of the uh,
Judgment and order dated 15/6/25, 24.
operation of the judgment and order date.
No, person, my lord, not the execution of the sentence is to be stated, not the judgment,
No, no.
because
Hmm.
because the lordship has not considered everything on merit. The lordship has just now expressed.
Yes, yes. The execution
Yes.
of the sentence. All right.
Because for the judgment, the lordship has to go to further, my lord, for staying the judgment.
Okay. The execution of the sentence imposed by the judgment and order dated so and so in so and so case is stayed until further orders.
Oblige, your lord.
When case to turn. Both the parties are represented. As the trial court record is before us, this matter for hearing positively on the 1st August.
Oblige, your
So
lord.
you must be present for hearing.
Yes.
Dates will be fixed for hearing as you are on bail. Otherwise, this will disappear.
Please, your lordship. I extremely sorry, my lordship, to attend this court. As I
14, item number 14.
item number, my lord, 11, my lord, left over already.
Your presence will be recorded.
My lord,
Fixed for 6th August.
here is only one problem is cross title, one date is wrongly typically written and already LCR has been received as per information by in his office, my lord.
Was there an IA?
No, my lord, in main case, cross title only date should be written as 8/10/2024. Arrested on 2/6/3/23 is wrongly written.
You'll have to file an IA. Cost title, you have to file an IA.
Amendment petition maybe.
It's up to you. As per notification, you'll have to file an IA, I think. Or amended cost title. You can submit an amended cost title. That will suffice. Oh, itu kau dia. Dia kata naam to give the.
Lordship, this item may be adjourned for the date. Lordship.
Matter has come up for consideration of bail and suspension of sentence, lordship. Here the plaintiff PP also filed their objections, lordship.
Objection has been filed.
Filed, lordship. It is in the record.
Okay. How many days you are behind bars?
Lordship, as on today, lordship, 1 year, 20 days, lordship. 1 year, 20 days.
You are asking for adjournment.
Adjournment.
Just a moment, I'll just check.
He was convicted under RI for 10 years, lordship, under section 366, read with 4 of POCSO Act.
How old is the appellant?
Lordship, the appellant is 25 years, lordship.
And
At
the
the time
victim?
of filing, he was 25. Now, lordship, 26.
Victim?
Victim, lordship. Lordship, her date of birth, lordship, 18/11/2004, lordship, and date on the date of occurrence, lordship, 16 years, 7 months, 17 days. At the time of occurrence, lordship.
Oh, until further order. No. Item 15.
Here, scan copy was for not received.
We have not received, no?
Not received.
Scan copies? Okay. Scan copy just called for is not received. We should reminder list the matter on. After 1 week.
My lord, a date may be given.
Date. Huh? No, not a date. After 1 week.
Item number 6.
My lord,
Yes, yes.
yes, the conviction is under TC Act, my lord.
Hmm.
And
My lord,
My
here
lord, after
special
the-
PP APSC will appear.
Hmm?
Here special PP APSC will appear, madam.
Who is the special PP?
who is there?
Who told that? Huh? Mr. Pallab Patodia.
লিখা আছে নেকি বাৰু?
But appoint কৰিছে ন? Appoint কৰিছে।
নাই, তেখেত আগতে এপিয়াৰ কৰিছে নেকি পল্লৱ পটকে?
No, no, recently appoint কৰিছে।
Appointed.
Appoint. So,
I have no knowledge, my lord, if any PP is appointed. But cause this also doesn't say so.
দেখাইছে ৰে special PP.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. In one case it is there, my lord. Samidur Rahman's case. Not in our. After some time, lordship, I'll try to contact him. Obliged, sir.
Item 15.
Right, isn't it? What, my lord, here. Regarding service, my lord, we have not received any report.
Well, since October 2024, report was status was not received. So
My lord, as per office note dated 4/6/25, my lord, petitioner has not taken steps
Hmm.
through registry. Then they were asked to take fresh step, my lord.
So you'll have to take steps, no?
already we have taken these steps, Lordship. Kindly see the last order, Lordship.
And they taken this test, my lord. Till 4/6/25, they have not made. After that,
Now we'll have to wait for the service report.
my lord.
Short date may be given, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. Asbara.
E. Borgohai, Lordship.
V. Borgoa is present for the applicant.
Applicant, Lordship.
Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. List the matter on after 1. No, I
At-
very good date.
Fix and that, Lordship.
Date.
First,
6 times.
Lordship. Much blood.
Item number 20.
May it please, my lord, the office note in regard to service of respondent two could not be served. So we have already ascertained a new address of the respondent number two. So we would like to take step on that address. And my lord, apart from that, we would like to pray before your my lord that the step may be allowed to be served through trial court. Because he is already appearing there in the trial court matter.
I think we can ask the registry to serve the notice to the trial court.
Yes, my lord, that can be done.
Because you do not have the proper address.
We have the address, new address, because he got shifted from that place to other place.
They
And
have the
we,
new
as a,
address.
yes.
Then they can
But-
take, my lord. If they have the address, they can take, my lord.
But actually, again, we don't know if it may be the right proper address or not, because he is already appearing in the
Alright,
trial.
alright. So if you want to take steps through the trial court, then it must be through the registry, I believe, no?
I think so, my lord, but
You cannot directly take steps through.
I'm also not sure regarding that.
But there was
You
a.
can take directly steps through the DC maybe, according to the rules and orders, but
No,
not to the trial.
My lord, in previous case, we have appeared and the court has ordered us in this process only.
Okay, let me see.
This order may be in.
Otherwise, it will be routed to the registry there.
That could
If you
also be
cannot
done.
confirm the address, he is appearing in the trial court.
Yes, he is appearing there.
Okay, okay. This is in this manner it can be given, I think, and order can be passed. Here, a direction was given. The petitioner is permitted to file a petition before the learned trial court along with a certified copy of this order with a copy to be served to the respondent number 2.
Same way, it can be.
Yes, yes, can be taken. So as to inform the respondent number 2 about the pendency of this matter. In this manner, we can.
Yes,
Yes,
so at
give
least
it
they
to-
will be informed about this.
Yes. Same case, same case.
No, it's a different case.
Our learned counsel, miss, your name?
Error. Yes.
Aroy, Miss Aroy. For the petitioner, who has submitted that notices were issued to the petitioner, but the petitioner has shifted his address. The full stop. No, but the respondent. Notices were issued to the respondent. Respondent, how many respondents?
There are 2 respondents, sorry.
Respondent number 2 likhi hai. Notices were issued to the respondent number 2, doctor, women. Yes, so respondent number 2. In her new notice were issued to the respondent number 2, but notices could not be served as the respondent number 2 has shifted to a new address. Full stop. The petitioner has the new address of the respondent number 2, but notices could not be served on the respondent number 2 through her new address also.
No, we did not try it on the new address.
It is further submitted that by second line to Katiriba that the petitioner who has received a new address of the respondent number 2 is not certain if the address is a correct address, but the respondent number 2 is appearing in the trial court. The petitioner has submitted that the petitioner may take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2 through the trial court. A learned additional PP, Mr. R.R. Kaushik is present for the respondent number 1. To stop, the petitioner may take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2. The petitioner may take steps now. The petitioner may take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2 in a new address. And in addition, the petitioner is also allowed to file a petition before the learned trial court along with a copy of this certified copy of this order, with a copy to be served to the respondent number 2, so as to inform the respondent number 2 about the pendency of this matter.
Yes.
4 weeks? 4 weeks. This is matter after 4 weeks.
Deputy next.
Item number 21.
May it please you. The IA has been listed, Your
Mm.
Lordship, for bail and
Yes.
suspension of sentence in this matter.
No, LCR not received.
Oh, we'll need the LCR.
Anna.
What is the duration of punishment?
The punishment is 10 years, Your Lordship.
Okay, we'll need
The
the LCR.
376.
We'll need the LCR.
I'm not objecting.
Trial court records just call for his.
So we'll have to file objection also.
Okay. Mr. Y.S. Manan is present for the petitioner. No. I is present for the applicant. The additional PP is Learned additional PP, Mr. R. Kaushik is present for the respondent number 1. Trial court records as called for is not received. No. It has not been called for, I think.
Not possible.
Not called for.
All for one.
My file it is
Eight.
plain as-
Nine.
Oh.
I don't really hear that.
Then your lordship will call for the record. Because
Call for the trial court records. Notice on respondent number 2 is awaited. Those records have not been called for. No, has not been called for. So I'm calling for the records and meanwhile,
they have also not filed the objection.
Yes. Meanwhile, time is allowed to the learned additional PP to file objection against the application. List after 4 weeks. 4
No.
weeks?
Obliged.
May I please your lordship, my lord? As per office note dated 17/7/25, notice answer upon respondent number 1 with a remark out of station myself. I may be permitted to take paper publication, my lord. Yeah, actually, section number one lived in Uttar Pradesh, my lord.
Okay, all right.
Here,
Paper publication, all right. Learned Council Minister
A. Bhattacharya, my lord.
A. Bhattacharya is present for the petitioner. Office note dated, which date?
17/7.
17/7/2025 reflects that notice has been returned back unserved. As the address is out of station, the petitioner may take fresh steps to issue notice to paper publication. List after 4 weeks.
May I please, bail application, my lord, the CD has been called for, my lord. CD, I think, my lord, not received, my lord.
City not received.
Lordship may fix a date, my lord, another. Sir, Pulibor police station, Jorat, my lord.
CDS call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on interim order, sir.
Sir. Interim order maybe.
Yes. Interim order shall be given posting there.
Give. Official.
24 again. I think 24.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, here, service, I think report may be awaited upon respond number 2.
Okay.
The notice was dispatched only on 3rd of July. So it is not even a month. So let it be awaited, my lord, upon respondent number 2. Only observation, my lord, on appearance of respondent number 2, my interim prayer may be considered.
All right. Learned Council Mr. D. Chakraborty is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP Ms. S.H. Bora is present for the respondent state. Full stop. Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. Full stop. The prayer for interim.
My lord.
The interim protection stay. May be considered on service report.
On the appearance of the.
On appearance of respondent number 2. List up to 4 weeks.
My lord. Strictly obeyed.
Item 25.
May it please your lordship, lordship, this is a condonation of delay petition,
Okay.
for condoning the delay of 26 days, your lordship.
To file AP.
Lordship, the appeal was filed, lordship,
Okay.
and there was a delay of 26 days. So in regards to that, the IA was filed. Lordship.
Learned Council Mr. Ayed Lihiba. Learned Council Mr.
A. Ghoshal.
A. Ghoshal is present on behalf of your name is reflected here in the cause list.
Yes, Lord.
Is present on behalf of the applicant. Full stop. Learned additional BP Ms. S.H. Bora is present for the state. The sub this application is filed under article
415 of BNS. It's also.
Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 with prayer for condonation of delay of 28 days.
26, your lordship.
26 days.
Okay, 26 days.
26.
As the petitioner, as the applicant was unable to file the appeal within the period of limitation, who submitted that the delay was unintentional. I have considered the submissions and it appears that the applicant has projected sufficient grounds for continuation of delay. Considering all aspects, delay is hereby condoned. The registry to list the connected appeal.
Obliged, lordship.
It will dispose of in terms of
Your
the
lordship, this is,
above observation, it will dispose.
your lordship, this is an application for condonation of delay in filing criminal appeal. The delay is of 388 days, your lordship.
You'll have to issue notice. Okay,
Yes.
to respondent number 2.
Yes, sir.
Learned counsel, Mr.
R. Karim.
R. Karim is present for the applicant. Learned counsel, Ms. S.H. Bura is present on behalf of the respondent state. Applicant to take steps to issue notice to respondent number 2. Returnable within 4 weeks.
We have not received the IA copy, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship will serve.
And has accepted notice legally, but additional PP is present and has accepted notice on behalf of the sufficient copies to be furnished during the course of the day or within 2 days.
Within 2 days, sir.
Within 2 days.
Obliged.
Pending items 16 and 17.
So we have informed he is coming.
16 and 17.
Yes.
Okay, we'll wait.
Special PP.
Special PP, okay. We'll wait. Item 27. This,
Nobody is there, madam.
I know.
Madam, one submission, madam. In this case, I am appearing as an amicus for the respondent number 2. Registry has only given me the appeal memo. The evidence and all has not been given. So your lordship directs that, madam.
Evidence is not represented.
Only appeal memo only got that.
Learned counsel, amicus.
Amicus, madam.
Learned amicus theory is present on behalf of the respondent number 2 and has submitted that he is provided only
With the appeal memo.
only with the appeal memo. The annexures have not been provided to him.
Annexures, madam, the appeal memo only the judgment is there. The evidence, madam. Copies of document, the copies of the evidence, depositions may be given, madam.
The annexures along with the copies of the depositions have not been provided to the learned amicus curie. They see to furnish copies of depositions and judgment.
Judgment I have, madam.
Depositions and other annexures.
Exhibits.
And other exhibits to the itu nalage already লিখা হল না বিনিয়োগের নামটো ঠিক আছে also not the same okay দুইজনৰ কাৰণে লিখি দিবা এসএস দুটা দুইজনৰ কাৰণে লিখি দিবা
Deeply.
you have also not received
And the IA copy.
but I think this has to be furnished to you by the appellant.
Yes.
Yeah, it would restrict direction nidiba. The registry will furnish to amicus curie, but to appellant he will furnish. The appellant is not present.
That's what.
So appellant who has accepted notice লিখি এটো notice নালাগে এটো আগতে আহিছে sufficient copies to be provided to the appellant to provide copies of the appeal memo to the additional PP.
We
As in
have
Bora
got the
Pisat
appeal
and
memo,
Telugu,
Lordship.
huh?
We have got the appeal memo, only appeal memo along with the judgment. But the copies of deposition as well as the exhibits, that copies were not received.
Oh, they have given you the appeal memo.
Only
Actually, appeal memo includes everything.
Lordship. but
Copies of
only the
depositions and
judgment,
all, I
Lordship.
don't know, they have misunderstood what they
Yes,
mean by
Lordship.
appeal memo,
But
I don't know.
That is not there, Lordship.
লিখি দিবা deposition বোৰ লিখি দিবা SS বৰা presence of পিছত লিখি দিবা তেনেকে আৰু as registry provide কৰিব হেৰিটো applicant provide কৰিব এওঁ
Item number 28.
28, your lordship, although it has come in the hearing column, your lordship.
I know.
IA is there, your lordship, for bail, 5-year conviction, your lordship. And he has already, your lordship, 1 year and more, your lordship, he has behind bar, your lordship.
Okay.
If considering that aspect, your lordship, if your lordship can consider the bail.
Why
grant.
don't we hear the appeal altogether?
Yes,
Let's complete it. We'll dispose it.
today itself, really.
No.
That's why,
Where's
your
time?
lordship, ultimately, your lordship, if IA can be heard, your lordship.
Can we fix on Monday or Tuesday, my lord? But the thing is that, my lord, all the records of this case, my lord, were handed over to the earlier amicus, my lord. These are my. But, my lord, those things are still.
I don't know.
Yes,
She has joined service date.
Yeah. I only have received the appeal memo only. So,
I leave it to your lordship.
Yeah, I'll have to give him some time.
Lords.
Technical glitches.
Lords.
or if they can
Because
provide.
they have to go through the.
I can
copies.
provide, I will
They
hand
can-
over you.
If they can provide copy, my lord.
Yes,
I will hand.
they can
And-
provide, if they can provide, you take from them. Learned Counsel Mr. S. Bothago is present on behalf of the appellant.
No mobile.
And learned amicus curiae, Mr. S. Das is
No,
present
no, no.
for the respondent number 2. Amicus curiae, no?
Yes.
Legal aid counsel, amicus
Amicus.
curiae. Learned additional PP, Ms. S. Bora is present for the respondent state. Full stop. It is submitted that the copies of documents.
Yes, FIR and all the evidences and everything.
Including FIR, evidence, etc., have not been provided to the respondent number 2, whose appellant may furnish the copies
Madam.
to the respondent number 2.
Lordship, on 13th, your lords. I will be out of session for
Okay.
few days.
12th,
14th, your lords.
14th. Okay. 14th August.
Madam. Highly okay.
Okay.
Oh,
My lord. Yes. Not yet come, my lord.
yeah.
Now, my lord, my petitioner is behind the bar since 368 days after the judgment. We have filed for suspension of the sentence. On the last occasion, this honorable court has asked them to file objection if they want to file as a last chance. They have not filed any objection.
And they have not turned up also.
They have not done, my lord. This is very casual approach, my lord. We are behind the bar, and my lord, this is violation of Article 21, my lord. My lord, altogether, I am behind the bar for 869 days. Because earlier I was arrested, then I was behind the bar, then I got bail, then I faced trial. After trial, my lord, I was again put behind the bar, and it is 368 days, my lord. Now, my lord, 1236. Total.
I'll have to hear both sides. See?
My lord can fix it on, my lord, short date next Monday, my lord, kindly, my lord. Monday, my lord, if possible.
Monday, fine.
Wednesday? Wednesday, my lord, at 2, my lord.
I won't be there. I won't be there, but I don't want to trouble the other bench also who will be sitting
I understand, I
in my
understand.
place.
I understand.
30 July?
Wednesday, next Wednesday, yes, yes, that is fine, my lord.
16 or 17, no? Learned Counsel Mr. F. Khan
F. Khan.
is present. দুইটা একেলগে লিখি দিবা 16.
Item number 17 and the Bhuya.
Oh, আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা। Learned Counsel 16 ত F. Khan লিখি দিবা আৰু ইটোত Learned Counsel
And the Bhuya.
Andy Bhuya. But your name is not reflected here in 17. Oh, yes. Sorry. Andy Bhuya. The learned special PP,
Special PP.
CBI.
Special PP, cost distribution?
It will be CBI, I think.
No. It's simply written special PP. My lord, may I mention it as APSC.
APSC. yeah.
APSC.
Special PP APSC is not present today. The objection has been raised on behalf of the appellants. As the appellants are behind bars, list this matter positive appellants, one or two, how many?
Item 16(1),
Hmm.
item 17(1).
তেনেকে হিচাপত লিখিবা, appellant লিখিবা, one each.
One each.
List this matter on positively on.
My lord, can my lord make an observation that the endeavor will be made to dispose of the IA for suspension on the next date, my lord? Endeavor will be made, my lord.
Every endeavor to be made to dispose of the application on
For suspension of sentence.
interlocutory application on the matter of on the issue of suspension of sentence
Suspension. On the next date, my lord.
on the next date.
My lord. I am so grateful, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord.